We're almost at the end of the year, my friends, and I just want to give you one of the strategies that I am literally running full speed ahead with for 2024 that I'm just going to drop here with you in your lap, and you can decide if this is a strategy that feels good for you or not. And then if it does, my guess is you're going to really have some exponential growth with revenue and the number of people you're going to be serving regularly and how satisfied you feel in your work, because this has been a very satisfying year for me. At the beginning of 2023, I was like, man, I literally taught 500 plus meditation workshops many years ago. I was a teacher through and through. I've gone on and I do a lot of coaching, like small group coaching and stuff, but not actual like planning curriculum, designing courses, building the courses, running a group through it live and getting that feedback. And so this year I was like, I want to do that. And I did it. I did 20 signature workshops with my Thriving in Business Without Social Media. That reached over 4,000 people, 4,000 email addresses. Pretty amazing. I then taught 40 meditation teachers my How to Build Your Meditation Business course through the Radiant Sutra School of Meditation. That was amazing. Helping them to set up a regular teaching schedule, to produce a world-class meditation library, license that, take it on the road, and really set up their meditation biz. I then taught 57 people how to craft and tour their signature workshops. And we had so many amazing signature workshops come through that program. This coming Wednesday, I'm doing my Teach 2024 program. There's been a bunch of other mini courses that I did at the beginning of this year to really get myself started around creating your scheduling, your success. Did one around marketing, and financially, it was a surprise. Of course, I'm going to make more money when I step in and I start teaching more regular workshops on a more regular basis. Of course, that's going to generate more money. It goes without saying. But it made over $120,000 of extra revenue this year. The other thing is, if you're teaching a lot, if you have a bunch of paid workshops that you're constantly doing, say once a month you have a 2 or 3 4-hour workshop that you're charging $100 to $500 for, and you're doing that month after month, coming up with new ideas, teaching new skills, etc. What you're doing is you're gathering a whole bunch of assets. Those assets can be amazing recordings you can sell individually. You could also sell inside of a membership subscription. And like me, I have my Magic Mind, which many of you know. My Magic Mind is my community. It's where all of my courses are. It's where all my creator templates. We have 3 live events a week. And anybody who joins the Magic Mind joins my other programs. So the signature workshop program, that was $500. Comedy workshop or comedy training, $500. This Teach 2024, that's $100. My flagship training coming up in January, that's $1,000. All of those programs are included in the price of the Magic Mind. So if you're teaching regular paid workshops all the time, people can come sign up and they can join a one-off course, or you can bundle them together and include them in a subscription. And that just makes it more of a yes for people to just come into the subscription, get into your community, and come on the adventure with you, which ultimately for me, that is my biggest satisfaction, is like, let's not just do this one-off thing. Let's like be in relationship together. Let's go all the way of getting your business to where you want to be. So for all of you out there, this Teach 2024 event that's happening this Wednesday the 20th. You can join live or you can get the recording. Either way, if you want to teach more workshops, the reason this is going to be such a powerful experience for you is because in 2.5 hours, you're literally going to come up with 6 to 12 different workshop ideas that you're not just going to think about, but you're literally going to map out what transformational benefits there are going to be at those workshops, what processes you'll guide. You're going to map out the workshops, and then you're going to start to map out the actual copy you're going to put onto the landing page. And then you're going to start to pick your schedule for next year so you can know for damn sure on January 1st when the new year starts, here's all the workshops. I just have to go make my landing page template, duplicate that 6 to 12 times, add in my copy, and I'm ready to go. I'm ready to start promoting. I'm ready to start doing articles, stories, videos, teachings that are going to lead people into these workshops. And I tell you, you're going to have your shit together so that you start the year on fire. If you want to generate more revenue, if you want to feel more fulfilled in your work, what you need to do is put on your teacher hat. This is my teacher hat today. It's a little silly, but that's just the mood I'm in. And if you want to be teaching, then you have to be the one to put yourself on the platform to start teaching. And I highly encourage you to do it. I had many unexpected benefits, including a lot more money this year from teaching. So make 2024 the year that you just step up your teaching game, and you do it often. Instead of having these like once in a while programs that people are like, I don't want that one, I don't want that. Give people a lot of options. Hey, I'm teaching this in 3 weeks. Hey, 2 weeks I'm teaching this. Hey, you should come to this one. You're going to do a lot better if you do it that way. I can't wait to see you on December 20th, the last workshop of the year, and then I'm going to peace out for 2.5 weeks of holidays. I can't wait. And if you don't come, that's okay too. I hope you have a beautiful, restful holiday, and let's kick some serious ass in 2024.